What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Ong Ontology gas, which has pumped up a major 160% in the last 24 hours and currently sitting at just below 59 cents. And as you guys can clearly see, it didn't pump up 160% in the last 24 hours. In fact, it was literally in the last 2 to 3 hours where it went from about 23 cents to right now just about 61 cents. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is it a crypto worth buying into right now? Is it too late? Or if you did invest into this crypto previously, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading towards the $1 mark? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can ONG go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we do have ONG as the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. As you can see, top gainers, and the number one you see is ONG, gaining over 155%. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 53% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane, guys. Over the last day, 155, over the week, 145, and over the month, 187%. Now we can see here, in early June and late July as well, it has been slowly increasing in value all up until right now. It's gone for a major explosion. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 3,000%, making it 42 million or 66 million right now, and has changed to 4,600%. So again, throughout this video, we are going to see the trading volume change like crazy in a positive direction. Only reason is it keeps pumping, and is literally pumped up about 2-3 hours ago. So as more and more people get to know about this crypto, we are going to see a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of hype, a lot of attention, and it's of course the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So a lot of people are going to be trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ONG, which is here in purple at just about 26 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at 63 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, of course, we are going to see the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning an overall gain in value is what is expected. However, as mentioned plenty of times, guys, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here. ONG is likely to drop back down in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting ONG to have dropped back down below the 40 cents target. Again, those of you asking, is it a time to invest into it right now? Personally, I wouldn't invest into it, only because, as you guys can clearly see, it's pumped up over 175% in a space of about 2 to 3 hours, meaning, yeah, it's going to drop back down in value sooner or later. But over the next 12 to 14 hours, it is very likely it's going to drop back below 40 cents, potentially down to about 30 to 35 cents in target as well over the next 12 to 14 hours. So again, just to put it into simple terms, I wouldn't invest into the crypto right now. I think it's too late, and I'm expecting it to drop back down as well. So it's a very, very risky investment for those of you guys who are looking to invest. But again, I'm not saying don't invest. I'm not saying invest. It's entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do. If you believe you can make you some money, go for it. But again, personally, I think it's a very risky time, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it's not realistic. So what I am expecting from ONG over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of this week, early next week, is for it to again drop down in value down to about 30 to 35 cents in target as well. So again guys, do expect more red days over the coming days. Again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days, of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between, up and down, but the overall outcome from now seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So again, potentially dropping down to around 30 cents is what I'm expecting towards the beginning of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again, no major changes guys. We've still got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it's not realistic. Again guys, because this such pump has not happened on this crypto previously, again that's why this graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, so on and so on. So again, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so in this case I'm talking about late August, early September 2023, I'm expecting ONG to be trading around the 40 cents target by early September. So approximately over the next 2 months guys, I'm expecting it to drop down in value from where it is at the moment, but we should be seeing it trading around 40 to 45 cents is what my predictions are from ONG over the next 2 to 3 months. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ontology Gas guys. As mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it likely to hit the dollar mark? That is the main questions everyone asking. Personally, towards Q4 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Ontology Gas to be hitting the dollar mark. Yes, even though it is sitting at 63 cents right now, doesn't mean it's getting closer to the dollar mark. However, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to drop back down in value before it slowly starts to gain value towards potentially Q3, Q4 of 2023. So essentially hitting about the dollar mark towards the very end of the year is what I'm expecting. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on ONG guys. Comment down below what you guys are doing. Are you buying it? Are you selling it? Or are you just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.